情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and we got a song here by Joyin, telling the story from the perspective of a grandmother who is struggling with Alzheimer's disease and her strong determination and longing to hold on to her fading memories. That's why the song is titled Still Remember or Huan Ji. Let's take a listen.就是还记得，这是一首以长期受阿兹海默症之苦的阿婆视角为出发点，呈现出阿婆极力的想抓住最后那份记忆的坚持与渴望。听了这个故事之后，是不是更有感触了呢？这是由王乔尹在今年4月推出全新客语专辑里面的一首歌，希望你们喜欢。Well, I hope you enjoyed that song by Joyin. It's called Huan Ji or Still Remember. My name is Joseph Lin, and we will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.